guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing. Me and Christina, who is KG Crafts on Instagram, we decided to do a Halloween swap in a medium flat rate box with plenty of packing like peanut things to keep it nice and safe. And you guys, oh my gosh, look at it. She did like a belly band on the entire package. It says Hocus Pocus. Totally saving that. And then, oh, I can't believe this is for me. This is so cool. Oh, something sounds. Oh no. I hope those didn't break. Okay, let me get all this stuff out real quick. Okay, guys. So I took the little cart out. Look at this. Look at this. Little custom curtains for this like spooky haunted cart, like a candy cart. She's even got the blood drip detail down here. Look at these wheels, super thick. She used buttons as the main little piece. Oh my gosh, look at the little candy. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. She even has like a little skeleton guy and spider webs on the inside of this little acetate window. How flippin' cute. Look at the little candy corn, pumpkins. Oh, toxic on a stick. So cute, Christina. I can't even. Look at this. She got the stickers, the little skull at the top. She even did the roof as like a shaker. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the detail. It's like alternating glitter on the roof. And then the inside, she had crinkle paper with the little candy jars. I did go ahead and take them out and reassemble them. They did not stand a chance in transit, but look at, she has these cute little like neon green gummy bears, some candy corns, fuzzy orange heart beads. Oh, I love these black beads and I ran out of these. So cute. And then she's got like all the Halloween color buttons in this one. And this one, look at these. I don't have that skull charm. So yes, thank you, thank you. And then look at, I don't have these little white guys either, the little white skeletons. I have some orange ones from Vanessa, but not these ones. Yes, and these were all in here. How cute is that? Like a little candy cart. So flippin' cute and smart to do that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Good thing I bought another storage bin for Halloween because Crystal made me a bunch of 3D stuff, and you guys, so did Christina. Oh my gosh, that is so, oh, I love it. And this, I took everything out of the box. Look at this. It's like a Frankenstein magazine in here. Oh, how creepy cool. The Return of the Frankenstein. And it shows like 700 cents. How cool is this? And it looks like there's a bunch of different ones that you can like collect on here. This is number 8. Collect to read them all. Super spooky cute. I could read these to my kids. Thank you, girly. And then look at this, guys. I actually collect, what are these? Nutcrackers for Christmas. Each year I grab a new one. And look, this is a Halloween one. I didn't even know they made Halloween nutcrackers. How cute is he, little skeleton guy? Super cute. And his little, like, dangly arms just jiggle back and forth. He's so cute. Okay, I'm out of breath. This little guy right here, she has a little jar, a little Lori flower on it. I don't know if she's stuck. Oh wait, is this spin or top? Oh my gosh. She made, look at all these little buttons, you guys. She has like a little, what are these called? Button makers. Look at how cute. Ooh, I love the little book one. Cute little, buttons. If you got it on it. Little cat. And this takes time to like line up the paper where it's going to cut so that you can make a button with it. So thank you, thank you. And you can just pop this like, look at, you can even put it in the center of a flower. Now these, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this bag topper, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is what you were showing, like a sneak peek. You know, I'm gonna have to open this. I'm gonna have to open it. Look at these. Oh my gosh, look how cute. So she's like stitched the star multiple times all up on there. Rosettes. Ooh, look at this little house die cut. This is super cute. The little ghosty. And then the little bag. Just stick my goodies right up on in there. Already done for me. Well, I like that she used that sequin as like an embellishment. I need to do that. So cute. Little boo. She decorated the bag for me. I don't have to do anything. And then this one, look at this. Let's see if I can take that off there. She's got the chain, you guys. And ooh, look at those lime green. So cool. Love it, love it. Look at the little broom. Spiders, chipboard, the blood drip. Eek, I love these stickers. Love it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. So on when I went over there for a crafty meetup, you guys, these things are like, I want to say 5 layers plus the decorative paper, 6 layers thick. She just kept gluing and gluing, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, they feel like a dump truck could run them over and it wouldn't even bend. Oh, look at the little goat. Oh, these are felt. Where'd you get those? Oh, look at this little pumpkin. The wheels she did as spider webs. And then look at this one, the little witch boots hanging out the back. The little potion bottles in there. Mwahaha. Look at these candy cards. How freaking adorable are these? These are so, so cute. I love, love, love. Oh my gosh. And this is such a good idea. So White Birch store on Instagram, she sells these like, they're like little tiles. They're not thickers because they do have a thicker that's, you know, shaped like Scrabble tiles, but these are like holographic and she just stitched across them and they're already ready in sentiments. Scary, wicked, haunt, ghoul. How cute. Oh, and look at the bat. It's a little clip. I could totally just reuse this. So cute, Christina. Oh, I love these. Thank you. Doing all the legwork. See, exactly like this. Look, she just put it on there. It says treat, and then she's got the little, look at, it's like a little clip just right on there. The peeping window. Let's see. I save this bag. I don't even have to do anything. Leave the crinkle paper in there and everything. Oh, what are these? Look how cute. Nobody's boo. Oh, look at that. So these are like little fashion buttons, kind of like what she makes, but these must have the pin. Yeah, these have the pin in the back. My cat was right about you. Rich and famous. These are too funny. Catch you later. Oh my gosh, I love it. Those are hilarious. And then look at these little pin. This is the one that says nobody's boo, and it's like a little ghost. And then look at those fangirl lips. Look how cute those are. I love that pink color. These are so cute. And they come in this cute little like coffin box. Gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this packaging, you guys. Oh, it's a freaking TV in there. Oh my gosh, Christina. Trick or treat. Yes, girl, you be tricking me. Look. Oh my gosh. It's like a little full-blown. I don't even know what to take out. What are these? Oh, these are her she did a tutorial on these. Oh, I didn't realize these erasers were this big, but look at this, you guys. She has a tutorial on how to do eraser. Oh, look at this. So stinking cool. Charms. She has like a tassel with the eraser. She blinged his eyes out. Put all these gorgeous beads up here. A little star. Spidey. How flippin' cute are these? And then she did an orange one. These are so cute. It's just like even like nicer to see them in person, you know, versus like when you see something online, it looks so much like more different. I don't know how to explain it. Ooh, yes. Look at these bat bows with the like a little dangling. I think she gifted me some of these little skulls. Gorgeous. Ready to roll. And then this one. Ooh, she made these are like fabric. These are fancy. Look at these rosettes. I don't know if she's ribbon or fabric, but look at these. Lime green, the purple, the little black. Look at these. These are fancy. Way fancy. Candy corn, and then like a little polka dot one. These are so cute. And I don't have anything like that. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, there's more. Ooh, yes. Look at this. It's like crepe paper with tulle, and it's all stitched gorgeous and sparkly on there. And look at this sparkle glitter tulle and purple, and then look at this black one. Ooh, look at this tulle too. It's like a chunky sparkle. I don't know how to describe it. With the lime green thread down the center. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then the grand finale. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me get You guys, look at this. It's like a shadow box that stands up. Look at this. This is so cool. The acetate with the blood drip. She's got the little antenna. She stitched this entire thing. Everything, all the panels. Ghost stories. Perfect ephemera for this. And look at the, oh my gosh, what are those? Oh, so you know those like those bulky, sometimes like the Tim Holtz stuff? Look at it, she just put them in there. I don't know if you guys, I don't know how bad the glare is, but she put them in there, a little headless skeleton. Oh, see like this, see that pumpkin, how it's like super thick in 3D and it's hard to embellish with? She made a shadow box out of it. Oh, this is so cool. The little buttons, the little knobs. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it just stands like that. You guys, I'm gonna have all this Halloween decor for next year. It is gonna be so cool. Like, I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm just gonna have to do shelves somewhere on this wall somewhere so that I can like display this every year. Yes, look at this cute little back top. Oh, a little bling. I don't know where he came from, but I will take him. Look how cute, you guys. Oh, he might have went on a jump ring somewhere. Was he supposed to go right here? Look, she did some socks. Let's see if I can get this. I have to rip it off. Some Halloween. What's crazy is I didn't really see Halloween socks at any of the stores that I went to, which I thought was odd. Oh, these are from Target. Look at spider socks. I will spare you guys and not throw my foot up on the desk again wearing socks. But ooh, I love these. I love like spider decor. I don't like real spiders, but I love like decorating with spiders, if that makes sense. So I love these spider socks. Super cute and comfy. Next, we have this. Just got a little clip and put a little spider on there. Reuse this. Oh, read me. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, girl. She hand stitched this, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this little voodoo doll. It's like a gingerbread voodoo. Look at, girl, you did good for stitching. And on the sides, that's like the hand. I think that's called a, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna shut up because I don't even know what that's called. But how cute, you did good. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. And he's gonna go perfect with my, all these Halloween gorgeous decor. So funny. Let's open this one. Oh, it's like a, look how cute. It's a, like a strawberry carton. What do you want to call it? Milk carton? Oh, look at the front of this. So she's got the like ruffled sewn fabric. Look at this little jar. The witch. Ooh. Oh, is that glitterific? The glitterific I couldn't find in my room. Oh, so cute. Like a little envelope. And look, oh. It's a rosette witch hat, you guys. How cool is this? And look at this itty bitty rosette on the front. It says boo, little pom-pom at the top, and she's made 3 of them. Look how stinking cute these are. These are so cute. Everything miniature is just like, you know, it's just cuter. It's just way cuter. Oh, I love them. And then she's got the little shred at the bottom. She even layered the bottom with paper. So cute. Oh my gosh, my mouth is like parched. You know when you're like talking and then you're like, can't even talk? And then look at this cute little puffy pen. And it's got the little like bat wing. Oh my gosh. It says, let's hang. Little pen. Perfect. I love getting pens. Like holiday fun festive pens. Oh, what is this? It's like a little furry critter monster. It says treat. Oh, this one says haunt. The other one says treat. Oh, literally just as I'm saying pens. Resting witch face. Yes, girl. And what's this one? Basic witch. Oh, these are so fun. Yay. Oh, I love these little spiders, the pebble spiders. And this is the Hey Pumpkin. I literally just ordered the Peachy Cheap, and it was like the old collection Hey Pumpkin, and it was missing the puffy stickers. How weird is that? And then she sent me them, and this package got sent before I even got my package. So how did you know? Oh, so cute. I love these little ghosty ones on there. Thank you, thank you. And then we have this one. It says Trick. She's got the little pumpkin. Oh, I had to open him. Oh, there we go. And we got, ooh, he's killer. Oh, you guys, it's the Scream but he has like glitter and pink with his phone. What's your favorite scary movie, Sydney? Oh my gosh, look at these. Glittery and pink and girly. Prank caller, but prank killer instead. So cute. Those are so funny. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. She made cute little, like, not coffee. I guess they can be. These are like hot cocoa. Look at. She even, I think she inked the edges of this glitter paper. The little marshmallows. Stickers. Look at this one. Oh yes, I love the distressing of like how you did the froth and the cream. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, let me make sure I didn't forget nothing because there was just so much stuff bulging out of the box. Thank you so much, Christina. You spoiled me. I absolutely love everything. I knew I would because you were super talented. I feel like she's always so busy working with her online store that she doesn't have time to craft. And so I'm finally excited that she's getting back into crafting and, you know, is swapping with people. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, girlie. I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.